Riley, a golden retriever, dedicated her life to assisting a child with disabilities. Every day, she provided unwavering support, becoming a beacon of hope for her family. However, as the years wore on and Riley aged, her owner shifted attention to other activities, overlooking the aging dog who once brought so much joy. Left alone in a corner of the house, Riley's silent cries for love echoed, highlighting the neglect faced by retired service animals. Ultimately, it became clear. We owe our loyal companions not only gratitude but a promise of care and affection in their twilight years.